At the Wisconsin Department of Transportation, there's a strong focus on innovation and continuous improvement. It's an emphasis that extends across the entire department, from the way we use technological innovations on the Zoo Interchange project to online training and services we offer customers of our Division of Motor Vehicles. We're always reassessing what we do, looking for new ways to deliver projects and services as efficiently and cost-effectively as possible. The MAPS Performance Improvement Program sets our department's goals and tracks progress in several strategic areas: mobility, accountability, preservation, safety, and service. Through MAPS, we know where we're reaching our goals and areas where improvements are needed. Once we see where we need to do better, a key tool we use to improve our performance is Lean Six Sigma. It uses facts, data, and statistical analysis to improve the way we do business. At its foundation is having a clear understanding about customers' needs while also meeting the department's goals. It's about providing the best products and services possible to the public with the least amount of time and cost. Over the next few minutes, we'll hear from department management and staff about how we use Lean Six Sigma and highlight some Lean projects that have already been implemented successfully.
I'm Mike Berg, Deputy Secretary of the Wisconsin Department of Transportation. Our department's mission is to provide leadership in the development and operation of a safe and efficient transportation system. Lean Six Sigma will continue to serve as a valuable tool in aligning our MAPS performance improvement goals with the daily services we provide to citizens, and in how our department operates to keep people and commerce moving safely and efficiently.
Now we'll hear from Wisconsin DOT staff who have led Lean Six Sigma projects within the department.
During this 4-month highway signing Lean project, we completed a comprehensive assessment of current state workflow and business procedures for highway signing at each of the regional offices and bureaus. We found a number of areas where we could make the process more efficient and cost-effective, allowing us to install more signs with the allocated funds. The proposed changes are expected to result in a 30% cost savings. These process improvements will enhance highway safety by allowing us to replace about 3,500 additional signs through reinvestment of the cost savings. We'll be able to reduce the amount of time from identification of a sign needing replacement through installation of the sign by 1/3.
For many people, their most common interaction with Wisconsin DOT is through our Division of Motor Vehicles, and one of the most popular DMV services we provide is the driver license skills test. That's a road test that we require all new drivers to take and pass in order to receive their driver's license. As a sole provider of these tests, it's critical we offer an ample amount of tests each week at our DMV service centers. To help meet customer demand for this skills test, WisDOT completed a Lean project with a goal of meeting 90% of the estimated demand. There were several measurable outcomes from this project. The number of customers who took their skills test at the same location where they received their permit increased by about 14%. The average customer waited 4 less days to take a skills test, and as a result of these improvements, the overall supply of available tests exceeded the actual demand by nearly 7%.
At the Wisconsin DOT, we oversee about 400 state highway and bridge construction projects each year. Projects awarded through state bid letting are referred to as LET projects. The goal of this Lean project is to increase the number of LET projects closed within 6 months of work completion from the current 25% to 45%. The project had 2 phases. Phase 1 assessed the current procedures across all regional offices and statewide local programs, and also collect current state performance metrics. Phase 2 addressed 6 foundational elements that support process improvement and standardization across our Wisconsin regions. It also addressed the top impediments to closing projects within 6 months. This project is an example of a great cooperative effort which included 35 employees at various levels and with differing responsibilities across different classifications within all of our Wisconsin DOT regions, the Bureau of Project Development, and industry representatives.
This Lean project is providing major dividends in terms of time and money saved that we can invest in other priority areas and ultimately provide a safer highway system.
All of this was achieved without the addition of staff. It was really a matter of reviewing our current process using the data-driven Lean system and implementing improvements to better serve our customers.
In the end, It's going to benefit our department and the private sector partners we work with on a regular basis.
We've completed over 30 lean projects with projected savings of around $1.5 million. So far, about 400 department staff have participated in lean training, and we plan to continue building on that. Through streamlining various department procedures, we estimate we've saved 28,000 hours of staff time, resources that can now be redirected to other department activities and priorities. And it all ties together with our ultimate goal, to provide a quality transportation system that supports public mobility, safety, and economic growth.